Hey guys, so let's start off today's episode from Mumbai GPO, which is right behind me. Beautiful building, and we're actually going to Ballard Estate. So, two words for describing Ballard Estate: business district and colonial and European Renaissance. Although I have a little knowledge about the latter one, but doesn't mean that we can't actually go on a walking tour over there. So let's get going on the Ballard Estate walking tour. And that's the Mumbai GPO. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. And you can see now we have to actually go straight ahead, and at the end we will reach the Ballard Pier, hopefully. So let's get going. Buildings that I was talking about, just look at that, right? And another awesome thing is people play cricket on the empty streets. You can see that. Nice. So let's just see that. So they are playing cricket actually, and this is like the common scene on a Sunday, because during working day they don't get enough time, and of course Mumbai is short on space, so that's why Sunday is the day when people get some time to play cricket. Look at that. So in the building back there, that is being used as a hotel. Awesome, right? So there are like many hotels over here, and actually going to the Ballard Pier, the Ballard Estate. There's also a war memorial over here from World War I. Let's just hope we get to see that. I love the road. Nice, right? Okay, let's continue our tour. Oh, awesome, right? There's like another match which is going on there. So we are almost at the end of the dock, and just wait. I'll have to show it to you from the other end. Nice, right? Awesome, right? Yeah, let's go. So that's the cruise terminus from where you can actually board the cruise ships, and this is what I was talking about. Let's just continue. See that? Awesome. That is interesting. See that? So this is what I was talking about. If you roam around in here, so you'll see that these buildings are full of awesome stuff. See these lampposts? Nice. Some shoot is going on. There is some shoot which is going on, so I'll have to actually skip to the other part. Yeah, anyways, pretty cool area. So this is the World War I memorial that I was talking about. Unfortunately I have to cut short this video because there are like a lot of shoots going on right here. So okay, no issues, we can visit this place anytime later. But well, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.